Well, hello, my pretties, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so happy. This is just, it's the holidays. I'm happy. We're doing the Boxycharm for December 2021. Basebox unboxing and reveal. It's not really so much of a reveal anymore because my box came so freaking late this month. So this better be good. I'm hoping. I've still got hope. The box doesn't feel very heavy, so it doesn't feel like much in there, but we never know. So let's get this started. But first go and please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any more notifications. Like and leave me a comment. Tell me hello, tell me hi. Or tell me some random fact about you. I'd so much love to hear from you. So without further ado, let's get this unboxing started. Who's ready? Me. Here we go. Okay. So, as I mentioned, it is the base box. See, hello charmers, base box. And today, the theme is Gift of Glam. Well, that's cute, being the holidays and all. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different items in today's box. Let's go ahead and dig in and see what we got, learn a little bit about them, prices, whatnot, see if this is something that see if this is something that you would be interested in buying for yourself or somebody else or whatever. So let's get to it. We never, ever start from the top. So we're going to start from the bottom as usual. Why would you expect anything different, right? So here we go. The first one is Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Liner. Well, that sounds appealing. The Luna Liner. Anything having to do with the moon is just fabulous for me. And here it is. Luna Liner Resistant Liquid Liner. Okay. It's, on the back it says it's certified vegan, certified cruelty-free, no gluten, no parabens, with kale and ginkgo and biloba extracts. And I'm happy that it's gluten-free because I don't really eat gluten. So, let's see what this thing looks like. Okay, well, it's super wrapped. I'm not the biggest fan of this brand. I guess it's okay, but who can't always use a black liquid liner? So yeah, I guess that's all right. Let's read a little bit about it. A vegan fade proof water resistant liquid eyeliner that features an intensely black ink for the ultimate eye definition. The micro brush tip glides on smoothly, dispensing just the right amount of liquid as you apply, so you're able to create precise definition where you want. MSRP is $18. I would not pay $18 for any eyeliner, to be honest. So, I'm ready to move on from that one. How about you? The next one is Sophia and Mabelle Satin Powder Highlight. I feel like we just got a highlight like last month. So here it is. Little itty bitty. And it's called Peach Sangria. I'm so not thrilled about peach colored cosmetics. So let's see. Well, that's a cute packaging. Let's see what the color actually looks like. Actually it looks more mauve-y than peach to me, so that's better than peach. It looks all right. We can give it a try. Let's see. It is your new secret weapon. The satin powder highlight applies lightly but builds with ease. It brings a blinding glow to wherever you apply it, but is buildable without looking cakey. The satin powder formula glides on the skin with a satin finish, allowing for buildable coverage throughout the day. Peach Sangria is a shimmer copper with a gold and light peach undertones. And this is a new launch, okay? But MSRP is $22? No, just no. I'm a cheap ass. I can't believe an item is $22 and it's not even like this fabulous brand, you know what I mean? So that's something, I'll try it, but it's not something that I would ever purchase on my own, no matter how much I liked it, because I won't pay that much for it. So it says it's made in China, distributed in USA, okay, and it's 3.2 grams. But it is what it is, I guess. I mean, let's move on. Let's move on. So the next one is Blinc Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. I am always looking for a good mascara, so I'm actually happy to see that this is on here. Pretty cool. Let's check it out. And here it is. Blinc Ultra Volume Tube Mascara. Mascara Tubing Ultra Volume. Let's see. So just a little tube, and it's stop painting your lashes, tube them. That's what it says right over yonder, right here. It says volume, lengthening, defining, long wear, and removal. They're all 100% except for the defining is 90%. Do not use makeup remover. Tubes come off with lots of water. Ideal for teary, sensitive eyes and oily skin. Oh, okay, because my eyes are hooded, and so like some of my oils will get on my eyelashes or on my lash line-ish area. So yeah, that sounds actually kind of promising for someone with my eye shape. It says it's cruelty-free, clean, vegan, gluten-free, phthalate-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, fragrance-free, and talc-free. I'm glad to read that it's sulfate-free because I am allergic to sulfate. So, and to read a little more about it, Blinc's Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara is a clean and vegan formula that gives you an ultra long-wearing buildable false lash effect with a semi-matte finish. The thermoplastic elastomer brush is eye-shaped with dynamic spacing and super soft fibers to give you dramatic volume and length. I'm actually very interested in trying this one. I do prefer them to be waterproof because of, like I mentioned earlier, the hooded eyes, and my mascara will get on my upper eye area sometimes if the mascara smears easily, but I'm still willing to give it a try. Who knows, maybe the waterproof one. Wait a minute, what is MSRP on this? MSRP is $26. Yeah, see, I have a problem paying that for one thing. But usually after things come out on Boxycharm, they go cheaper. It's like it ruins them. Just kidding. It either makes them or breaks them, it seems like. So, I wouldn't pay that much for this, but I will definitely give it a try and hope for the best, right? So, oh God, at least they gave me it in the color black. No more brown, because, I mean, I'm sure some people were brown, but yeah. So that is the third one. Let's go to the fourth one, which is Mudmasky Mineral Infused Double Cleansing Mask. Here it is. Double Cleansing Mask. It's a 3-in-1 formula. So it's double cleansing mask, 3-in-1 formula for sensitive skin, deep cleansing, pore refining, restoring, nourishing, and hydrating. Okay, I'm kind of interested in this one. It's fragrance-free and pH balanced. PETA certified, skin-loving ingredients, made fresh in Amsterdam. Okay, so let's read a little bit about it. This non-foaming, fragrance-free cleansing mask is infused with rich minerals to detoxify and deep cleanse your face before bedtime. Formulated with a blend of cleansing minerals and Mudmasky's signature premium Moroccan lava clay, this effective formula aids in restoring your skin's pH levels, reducing redness, and preventing acne. See, and I'm wondering if that pH balance business might help me, because I'm looking for like the perfect skincare product for my face, because like things work, but I'm not like, oh, whoa, wow, ooh. So I'm wondering about that pH balance. Has got my interest right there, and I'm kind of excited to give this a try. And also, this brand is proving to be pretty decent, so let's do it. Now, the last one, the 5th product we have, is going to be Algenist Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm. That doesn't sound so great at the beginning, but I'm sure algae has lots of vitamins and nutrients and such. So I'm sure I put worse on my face before too. So here is the little case, the little box. Reduces the look of dark circles. Okay, I'm all over this. I am all over this. But and look how small it is. Oh, did I tell you how much the Mudmasky MSRP was? I forgot to tell you. $59. So this better be good. And that is for 2.5 fluid ounces. Now this one right here, let's read a little bit about it and see. A targeted eye treatment with enhanced algae technology, clinically shown to help reduce dark under eye circles, bags, puffiness, lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet in just 10 days. It's formulated, oh really, in just 10 days? Okay, I'm seriously going to give this one a try, like, tomorrow. Well, why wait? Let's do it today. It's formulated with Algenist patented and exclusive algoronic acid, a blend of red, brown, and green algae that synergistically work by energizing and increasing skin luminosity. Ooh, that sounds good. This is a new brand of Boxy, so first time trying it for all of us, I guess. And hold on, guys. This one hurts to say. The MSRP is $68. How do they charge so much for these things? I don't get it. These are the items we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Honestly, I am not too happy with this box. I look forward to getting the palettes, and I guess this one was more about skincare, which I'm thinking about keeping Boxycharm just for the skincare. Or maybe I'm going to try to find a subscription box that is only skincare and then have another one on the side. I don't know. I'm not too happy with this box. So blah, Boxy, blah. So that is what the variation that I got, and the variation is right here at the bottom on mine, in case you want to compare to yours. I hope that you got a better box. I hope that you got better products or variation, whatever. I hope you're happy with your box, because I'm just okay with mine. And I guess that kind of concludes this Boxycharm. There's not really much to talk about. It's just kind of blah. I mean, with the exception of the theme, it's not really very Christmassy or anything. I don't know, I just think that Boxycharm could be doing better as far as the theme. I mean, much as and then they raised the price too. They recently raised the price again. So, yeah, I'm really not happy with that. And then, you know, I understand shipping and yada yada is going up, but they keep raising their price pretty frequently, and it's just kind of starting to get old. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep Boxycharm or not. We all know this is the great debate. But I thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this answers some of your questions about this month's Boxycharm. I'll leave my referral link down below. That way you can get a free item, and I will list the products that I got down below too. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me in the comment section, and hope everybody stays well, has a happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Love you guys. Bye.